The secret to sleep learning. What if I told you that you could improve your English while doing absolutely nothing? No textbooks, no exhausting grammar drills, and no coffee required. I'm talking about learning while you sleep. It sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But imagine going to bed tonight, drifting off, and waking up just a little bit more fluent tomorrow morning. Today, we're diving into the science of sleep learning, how your brain stays busy while you rest, and how you can set up a sleep study routine that actually works. Part 1. The Night Shift Librarian. First, let's clear up a common myth. Your brain doesn't turn off when you hit the pillow. In fact, it stays incredibly busy. Think of your brain as a brilliant night shift librarian. While you dream, it's busy cleaning out mental trash and filing away your memories. There are 2 stages of sleep that are critical for us. First is deep sleep. This is when your brain moves information from your temporary mental folder into your long-term storage. It's essentially hitting the save button on everything you learned during the day. Then there's light sleep. During this stage, your brain is slightly more connected to the outside world. It can still process soft sounds, music, or most importantly, the rhythm of a new language. Because your mind is relaxed and free from daily stress, it's uniquely open to absorbing simple patterns. Part 2. Is it really possible? Now, let's be real. Is it magic? No. You can't put on an English audiobook and wake up speaking like a native speaker overnight. If only it were that easy. However, science tells us that sleep is incredible for what we call memory consolidation. Vocabulary. If you've been studying new words during the day, hearing them at night reinforces that memory. Listening skills. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. Listening to the flow of English while you rest helps you become familiar with the music of the language. Think of sleep learning not as a replacement for your study, but as a supercharger for the hard work you're already doing. Part 3. Your 4-step sleep learning routine. Ready to try this tonight? Here is your step-by-step game plan. Choose the right material. Don't pick a complex political debate. Choose something slightly below your current level, like basic vocabulary lists, simple dialogues, or a slow-talk podcast. You want your brain to recognize patterns, not struggle to keep up. The Goldilocks volume. Keep it low. You don't need to hear every word perfectly. You just need the sound to be present. Consider using sleep headphones, those soft headbands with thin speakers inside. Timing is key. Start your audio about 15 minutes before you fall asleep. This helps your brain transition from conscious focus to subconscious processing. Consistency over intensity. Doing this once won't change much, but doing it every night, that's where the magic happens. Your brain will start to anticipate the sounds, making them feel like a natural part of your life. Part 4. Managing expectations. Before you hit play, let me share a few ground rules to keep you on track. No shortcuts. You still need to speak and read during your waking hours. Sleep is the support crew, not the main actor. No grammar lessons. You won't master complex grammar rules while you snooze. Logic requires an active, awake brain. Prioritize your rest. If the audio makes it harder to sleep, turn it off. A well-rested brain learns 10 times faster than an exhausted one. Learning English is a journey, and every little bit counts. Whether you're studying at your desk or resting in bed, you are making progress. Celebrate the small wins. If you understood one more sentence today than you did yesterday, you are succeeding. So tonight, why not let your superhero brain do some of the heavy lifting? Sleep well, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're ready to master English the smart way. Take care.